Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get user ID in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to go to the profiles or the users panel in the setup by clicking here in this lightning bolts icon and go to setup menu. We click on setup. After that, we need just to search for the users. So from here, we will be able to get our user's ID from their URLs. So as you can see, we have these users here. I'm just going to click on this user, and basically in the ID, in the URL, we will find as follow. So here we will have your domain, that will be something in salesforce.com. After that, we will find Lightning, setup, manage users, and here in the page, in this address value or a variable, you will find the ID of this user. So it will be after these two F's. So here is the user ID of this user or the ID of this user. So as you can see, this is the ID of our user here, and you can get it like that. Otherwise, if you want just to get the users of someone that has been connecting to your app or something, we can go to the developer console, and if we go to the debug and we do some operation on our users, we can, for example, store it in an ID, and let's just do something. Let's just execute the code, and basically in the logs, we will find our user info, and here in the details, we can see that it's the same ID as we find for my user or the user that I'm using. So from here, if we go here and we compare the same ID, we will find that they are similar. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.